Ocean Drive. My thing. This is simple room, 1,200 a night, 24 hours. Apparently, it's 100 per hour. You can do per hour. I know. So this is it. Ocean Drive. It's called Ocean Drive. It's plain room, but it's nice and clean. So today we didn't stay long in road, only about 4.5 hours because so tiring, and Mark is not feeling well. So we stopped in this place, Ocean Drive, I think, and it's quite cheap, 1,200. But I didn't realize when she told me that how many hours we're staying. I said, isn't it 24? Isn't it a night per night? And then she said, 100 per hour. It's 100 per hour, and then 1,200 for 24 hours. So they do, and the other guy was saying that they got visitors a lot, foreigner visitors a lot, but not this time. They only stay for few hours. And I did some washing. There you go. I'm going to use their line to dry my washing. Can I put? But you don't have anything in here. Not even a hut. Very plain. Wow. Look at that. Oh, there's a resort look next door. Yeah. This is like Dolores. Another morning, because I'm so tired. Hindi ako masyado natulog kagabi. Grabe ang ingay dito. Maingay sa gabi. Ang daming car na dumarating sa next door. Ilang beses may pumasok. Lumabas yung una, mga 11:30. Tapos pinupop yung bibip siya. Ang ingay-ingay. Ingay nilang lumabas. Tapos may pumasok in an hour. May bagong dumating na naman. Ang iingay. My gosh. Kaunti lang ang itinulog ko. Good thing we only staying here for a night. My God. It really is an hourly rate. Hopefully the next one is much better. Proper hotel. Proper place to sleep.